Hello and welcome to Erika Cooking. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make one of my new favorite recipes, Tuscan chicken. This recipe is great for dinner time if you're looking for something different to make. It's very quick and it's very easy and it's very delicious. I really think you'll enjoy this one, so let me show you. So you're going to need 3 to 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You're going to need about 3 ounces of sun-dried tomato. These are already chopped, but I'm going to chop them a little bit more. That's to the side. Chopped onions right here in this container. I'm just going to measure out a 1/4 cup. Set that to the side. Then I'm going to be using 3 garlic cloves. I'm just going to finely chop these. Next, we're going to put in 2 cups of spinach. Gotta stuff it in there. You get your 2 cups, and that's about 1. This may look like a lot, but when you start to cook this, it's going to cook down. I'm going to be using a 1/3 cup Parmesan cheese. You're also going to need 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. I'm just adding some pepper. You want to season the front and the back of the chicken. Some salt. Over and do the other side. I'm going to use a little bit of paprika. I like the color on my chicken. You're going to need about 3 tablespoons of oil. Gonna add in our chicken. You want to let the chicken cook for about 3 minutes. Stuff these over. Now we'll remove the chicken onto a dish. I'm going to add in butter. Add in your onions. Next, you're going to add in your garlic that you minced. Now you're going to add in the sun-dried tomatoes. And now we're going to add in spinach. I know it looks like a lot of spinach, but this is just going to cook down. You can also add more oil if you need to, because this probably will soak it up. See how that cooked down? It's not even nearly as half of what we put in there. It doesn't look like it, at least. And cook right down. So I'm gonna get ready to add in our heavy cream. 1.5 cup of heavy cream. And once you get that to a little bubble, you want to go ahead and add in your Parmesan cheese. Now we're going to add our chicken back into the sauce. Taking just what on here. The more cooked, the more it'll thicken up. So pour this over your chicken. I'll cover it. Taste your sauce and see if you need salt and pepper. Salt and pepper to taste. Sauce is thickening it up now. So you can eat this with fettuccine noodles or rice. So there it is, guys, a creamy Tuscan chicken. I told you it was super easy to make. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and make sure you give me a like. That does help my channel. I heart food and I heart you. Until the next time.